Yashe. But my member na kwaba. Okay? Emu kwaba.
Thank you.
I hope so be very boko.
Oh, very boko.
Yes. Imre in some no dos and crata no so dos. I see a court.
There were court documents.
This is serious. All these court papers.
Court papers. You know your court papers. We every court we diary of action taken police. Yeah, but anyway, the battle continues.
That's right.
I'm here to satisfy Obinim, the young asofofo no, any neiri, any obabia omuka say me asembia ni wa masomo amawie.
We.
Demon breaker ni manasi be munti na majai. Ba and then me do be Kumasi. Wednesday, mesa beto so na fi mama Obinim breathing space. Na me ye yokufo no so ho adwuma. Money laundry no. Ko ba no ka se me so asemu mu. Me ko no pepe. Me ne yire ne young pastors arm robbers nyina. Me no be ko no pepe. Na me follow mu social media na mo mfa meto obi. Mano papa Obinim say he's the richest pastor or bishop me. Ghana have a power suffer back kwa. What's it got to say me? Na kwa no hwe the signature bi out to one school.
Signature dankrata so.
Dankrata so out to kwa na school. Or say me bufu ameto aeroplane 5. Or the same you know chronicle no all counts colonica. He blew. I say it is only Ghana now benya say nipa we etimi abegina TV so edidi nipa tem. First before I go on, I want to state it clearly. Say Obinim onye sofu.
Yeah.
Or your 419. Sa koko oni fo no bi. Eno no ye.
Even say koko
oni first no yeah. Koko kejetia baby ana etwi bicycle no.
Yeah.
Bonso bi jejina koko oni. Obinim. Sa no tie because say onim Bible mu no call Bible school and go and can't say Mary ni Joseph. Genesis Genesis chapter 1 Mary ni Joseph. Wa ahe.
Sisi ni tiase.
We say we suffer. Onye suffer. Oni adaje de kai Bible. O adaje a ye de bunipa. That is all Obinim is. Nene we share the match. And we are there waboa me pa because ono kan say o ye fight bi a wunwe. Oni ma koko bisa
oye mistake
wo yomi ene anas wo ma wiye e wo Ghana ha
but we anas so ye wiye mum
o ye wiye ma say Obinim ma take it
yeah but ye baba no so by all means
na wonim eye opanyina e friend no Isaac Kwadwo Owusu oni Obinim company registration kwan God Ways Worship International omoneti na saa opanyini Kwadwo Owusu no ode nabusu afie wode chem so ene ma Obinim a omoye asori ti ozo mu start wo school dem ena ekoso nti omo ba ni papa fie ho no eye de chem so ho no na asori no eye kese no ena Obinim agri no omo bu papa no fie no se asori no ye kese nti no omo pe baby oye somebody me show pictures no amame a
may release the pictures on this shortly
mo show pictures no there we wrong picture yenye no wada na mo jump
me picture if we tell me
mo fante me beba chief pastor chief mensa so no de no
mama me building baby a mo share so na se angasa
ebi mo share so na
the foundation of the friends before na God's way church before international God's way
ne wo mni say Obinim no mu ebu gold efie no asanka wo show say ne ameti no we no first asan wo show we they say me amasa so
yeah
fie no a na onwie de uncompleted na Obinim no mo ebu no
saa dan we ye penin kwadwo no
ne papa fie ode ama oni ne nuanom na omu bu edan to omu bu ye no on to aso ba bia wo show ye
na omu bu the next pictures no
omu bu pillars no okay onko ne wo show first no fe ne do
next one
go right nti ai na omu bu apata no eye ne kese a omu de ye adwuma de ye asori we no mu hono anso ena asori no be ye kese a opanyiri wo ye letena ewo magazine onna na chihwe ha no
yeah
oni
kwadros
yeah the elders no ba ko ye fe na champon aka champon
yeah
be kira Obinim ase na sa wo small fry because 2002 na manyeska ye no picture we so 2002 ana nipa enya sika wie no efe na no ti asori da we mu e pay wo sori a wo so no e betimi amame $500,000 so wo so pe evidence nti say evidence no a me money on for $500,000 ne mrai Obinim fabra nti o mu free ha and o mu call Kenya si me wo stool lands for ayiwa some betimi show Kenya si stool lands
Mama Kenya si stool lands you know document yes this one
enipa enumu a wo mote asoro no kan ayi ho ye Isaac Kwadwo Owusu go stool lands you know
this 27th of May 2001
good
yeah and stool lands no
almost started to ensase amode beye omo asori in the name of in the name of God's Way International
yeah
or center ebe wi ase no Obinim even bank account mko bie no oko change and ode ono nko ani din and ekoye baby a entokwa no start here no but I don't want to jump memra emema no a any mam yenu memma me nsama yenu and ka Obinim ho a wo mote asori no obema no ba ko de ja say ma emema ni Kwadwo Owusu na all right no ena aka champon ena wo mfimfin ena opanyin musi ti de na we bogus power ena
materials
Isaac Kofi Owusu so na owo left hey ti sa mema me nsa wo mu ne ema mienu eka ho ena Obinim ena omo ye registration for God's Way.
So then, Chairman, we can say some member 3 and the foundation of Sasso.
Yes.
Good.
God's Way International. Obinim enkwa de nkwasi ebuo agi. Say nipa we ni founders a woni omu ye eti asori. No panyi ya odi extreme right. Ono na okofa ne papa. Efie no ma Obinim a omu bu no de asori ni bi. Na omu nye ska no a omu move call Kenya ase bo soro hono to sabe no kase asem no court a Obinim ni sika bebrebe a wanya o si the whole Ghana o sofu bia no wa wo sika te se ono no Obinim up to now when see edan na obubu no ama wo mu when tua wo muka nti wo hwe court document a ewa ha against Obinim a court several times na okwa no the sika kofem almost statement say mo obi a mo famra
yes I have copies of
this. The High Court of Justice Kumasi Isaac Kwadwo Owusu bringing the present matter for both himself and on behalf of all the children of John Kwabena Edu disease Aswanse Ashanti away almost statement
yeah
Obinim statement wom ono ankasa this very statement who read here Obinim admitted say ampa ono na obu dan no
yeah
any or say Obinim we was what admitted to the police say
yeah yeah, they at all because viewers the person must follow story. That's what we need to be making na Obinim statement na wo Bishop Daniel Obinim. We nye na tro yo ono ano tro e obehu say date in ya 29th 2011 and same way police Ashanti region
the latter part of Exp0se no you know.
Yeah.
I'll say the suspect Obinim was identified to police by the complainant as the culprit. Suspect, however, admitted having damaged the building.
That's right. So G2 said that on the bubu no.
Police in any trial, yeah. Obinim nankasa G2 say ampa ono na obubu dan no. Enti say wabubu dan no nenne nyame adom wanya sika. Why don't you pay them?
And now be sit down.
Yeah, now wasumdwe unsa aka. And I'm court and OTSK. But let's go to the subject matter itself.
Exp0se rather no Exp0se.
No, don't confuse me. Me chew my dear number. Over James Exp0se. Exp0se is police in here.
Okay.
But the statement itself, from way.
Okay.
Exp0se. Ono a complainant.
Yeah.
Exp0se is the complainant. Ona a dino yane papa dia.
Yeah.
And you what Exp0se,
okay,
who is also a member of the founders.
Great.
What you say?
Yeah.
And you don't confuse things. Into Exp0se and the assembly court. Exp0se.
Yeah.
And the assembly court. Or no the fear no Obinim ebubu no. Ne papa. Ewudija oni ni nuano. What you say?
Yeah.
Good. Enti uhwe statement wa Mr. Echampon wamani statement Kofi Owusu amani statement Kwadwo Owusu amani statement Obinim amani statement wa admit say ampa
almost all of them
Obinim die ni ono ankasa admit say
producer mama Obinim die no so
Obinim statement ene wa hagi and so show first
first one
ono ankasa admit say ampa Obubu dino. A dino. Yeah. Obubu dino. A fey, a kodru ona onye sika.
It's in the signature na owe.
Where you thumbprint. Ebi amum pese gap na wajano. Obi betumi atro bio wana wama wa thumbprint. Na wa sign. In the signature and the other one go school complete.
Okay, signature.
Also oye wa ya pa. Oye wa. We share documents here gumenimu ya. Obinim ye wo ye because 2002 me can was 2002. How there let's go to the issue. Papa yi Kwadwo Owusu no na Obinim no mo God's Way International sato asase and Obinim ono no papa yi hwe mama explain Papa, say nipa miensa nyina decided to leave Obinim. Sorry no a omone nate no. Why? One, nkwase yabuo. Omo say nipa miensa ne te ye no. Efe sika ne ba no. Obinim ko change account no e de ono anko ni din e na ye
charge account no.
Yes. Ti sika bia no e ko Obinim ho. Owie so na fei omutumi se enye nyamesom pa na osom no enuama na oye waso no mu nyankoma de ne eti se ne okofa kwa me otu ene ne kotwa enyiramoa mienu ti e de mixe moja no e mixe coins a omukotutu gu kumase abonten no saa time na we no ye elders enti they decided to quit or leave the church omu free asori ni mu no ena Obinim ono anko efa asori no to ofa no so okay se wa fa bibia de a wo de me papa fie na obubu no ba mai anta enye ntua ko ne koye no sa state no na wo de adom na enye me nko ame de me ne mabusuafo de Obinim se ehine ne ha enti papa yi any founders no aka no echo Obinim fie, and the statement is here. Omuko Obinim fie no Obinim atwituo ma warning shot. That's like a meya jampo. Eye asase no a besides ni fie no omo toye. O wa na ohun oti se obi eto asase no. Okwa na ye Obinim sofo ba ko e friend abrokwa. E na ode asase no manti papa yi eye kwadwo husu Isaac no e disguise no ho se okọ no akoto ayi no. Enti opanyini or elder se hwan abrokwa no o demande se edubu ahen onfa asase ne pepese mra ansa na watu aka o se o ehun hia enti edubu ahen no ya administrator e wo school bim o de ne ko ho e ko kyerɛkyerɛ no nyina se o onye nipa boni na se no sister asase a me tro de me pese me hu ayi o di finally papa ne di documents ne baaye no na kwadwo owusu Isaac were a part of the signature. But now Obinim ton ade without the knowledge of sa mpayinfo
eldercy.
Yes. Enu ho na omo ko ni fie a okotwe etuo. The statement is here. All the suspect told the police, he said, omo ko fie on Obinim atwe omo sutuo. And be anti osofo and will display guns. We are sure say Obinim or you osofo. What does the Bible tells us about osofo? Wasasia ye nyina ya to in the name of the church. Say asori no wafa abaye o personal church. That time na afi na old date Florence Obinim. Eno kra me wo ho asem kakraka. Papa bi anenko be ware Florence ya otwitwa na nemba o de ehokra bi hiam. What is important is I want Ghanaians to know how callous, wicked Obinim is. Enti emra omko fie na otwe omusutuo no. They had to go to police
to lodge a complaint.
Police no a omde asem no call no. Chief of Lieutenant Joseph Obinim, Divisional Commander, Ashanti Central Division, Kumasi.
Me yensanye ne di ne biom.
Yeah, your friend, me mamu copy. Your friend, Chief Superintendent Joseph Obinim, Divisional Commander. Anyway, we different.
Mama me a police officer no ni details no.
Ashanti Central Division, Kumasi. Yes. The telephone numbers were but I know they here. This was the police or they and call for call to arrest will show you.
Yeah, 3 guys no.
No. A year later will show CCA. Sa document will show the CCA good way. Yeah. A year arrest no mukoyen. A whole a year Emma Obinim Obama no a churro sadi we say. We are Ghana police. Yeah. I am not freaking.
January 10th.
I want to tell you the truth without giving any false to disgrace somebody. I want to prove to Ghanaians to say, right from day one, Obinim for a treacherous, or nye obia, or jinyamidi, ne mum or the nyame akataneni, and a old bunko for a bo mopo, to send your bo papaya poa, and then the bushia for, and then a tracer, or no day a danoma Obinima. Wabubuno enti omesi sika Obinim enya ewo asori no mu nyina no onya prepared say obesi edana mo because officer or power nti obetuatua na me ankasa me so asemu ochina mema opanyini no so akọ police headquarters a lodge complaint every morning Obinim so was catch empty me ne back display cash every morning me tua ma papa no to make sure say what repair for you and our build if you so what been say wo di sika be bu ahiafo kwase ade a Obinim me wo cash tell well they are gina wo ye na me Ghana ha asofo bɛn na wo sika kyɛ me wo yɛ na mbufu akurasi ni mɛtɔ aeroplane ɔsi aeroplane 5 me de bɛba ha
okay
ɛna yɛ ma wo kɔ sales kakra wo pɛ be kura wo anya what it means montie ni the most important thing was obi ahu obi nim be na ɛkyɛ yɛ ma ni da sales kyerɛ wo sɛ Obinim doesn't help people to prosper. It is himself. He's self-centered. The beer should be Obinim. He doesn't help anybody. So obweni pa enka emra eba sa surety no onfa obiya enye ne busuani na ye nyonko anase ne dofo bi emebeli no enko benye nipa enko wanem ba enam se obu ehiafo kwasea na sa asofuru am robbers Emmanuel no was Ernest no wo motete no ho no Ernest ujimie adenti na wantimi anko yi no adenti na wantimi amfa akọ wode watena ne dan baakum ada obepam wo no ubehu me na na kan wo so bled food
great obeju bread food Ken hold it there me person me ya de bi ebesi wasem so take a listen and watch this video na ti asema Bishop Obinim e ka kire the fans.
And if you tell me physical, I will tell you. Sure. Eti na last time I say, shofu biye ni wa wayi nani, shofu biye miye nano, shofu biye miye nano wa Ghana problem one ka say, ni wo sika che Obinim, na obiye so timi kabida. Wo ko TV channel, ko Facebook, ko YouTube, wo pa TV station na, wo nya shofu biye anu kasa boy, se mi wo sika che Obinim. Kame Kenya me ho Ghana hama Ghana fo ho Obinim sika e just like aban to na nusi mi so I can this month to do me the aeroplane for 5 e baba Ghana challenge me
ka kum ye jini kwekuro nim se no won pa kire
we wa mu se nyankopon ayi ne so ahaban o dwa nanum
ene ntamai hata no so
o ye sure say o ye osofo to me kasa say osofo humility is the first cardinal for anybody to be a priest or a pastor. And look at the way he's talking arrogantly, because and I'm say we kurasi ni na wan ko school di kakra na won ofi say wiase ano Obinim me na ye maame say 3 surety ba ko pe emfiri obi wa adoye amaye wo wiase ama nipa ye nipa papa enke very easy ada ye maame treason enipa be 4 KT Amon ene ya Jake Sheila omunye obia kofa ne dan e bai. Why didn't you get people ma wey enya sodie emaw na wo judge miye no a wote wa ofi se ewiase eye wo dia asofo papa bi to plane but they don't even brag the way you brag. What was say when you go ase? How many days did it take you to get the bail or meet the bail requirements? Aya susu kasa na me no o tamfo anase obi a wanye oyiye eye oyire eni se wura na ka kire am se me so dai bia na mbeka wasa na mpesa de chentem come minimumness, and nobody, I tell you, nobody can stop me. Many diwasem me say me catch your plane uye court na uko yoko straight me catch no mean slow ne any china foul to missiles o boys no any matem baby am so Obinim free way also obesa koyoko. If you don't know, I'm telling you. Now when you cry now senka obokwa he incriminated himself by saying say also mo bok ne kwachiri na
mame mono fieti
na muntie
take a listen to this video na momo ni nansi mame pacho producer na yenhwe exactly listen.
The last time I said, shofu biye ni wa wayi nani, shofu biye miye nano, shofu biye miye nano wa Ghana problem one ka say, ni wo sika che Obinim, na obiye so timi kabida. Who chini channel, for Facebook, for YouTube, who pay TV station, who yes of the Lucas avoid, Sammy was Sikate Obinim. Can make Kenya who are Ghana Hammer, Ghana for who Obinim Sika, and I just like I buy to the Lucy show. I can this man to do, make the aeroplane 5 ever can.
Challenge me.
Masa, me pay me sikano. Acha. Yes, Christo Shira me.
Acha.
Enya 5-10 years here. Yes, was that
never. Acha.
Me Yesu Christo start so din Shira me no. What the man na me dey ato. What the man na me dey ato. Na me dey ato. Let me walk accounts for Dubai. Hey, you accounts for America, Canada,
yes,
London,
yes,
Germany,
yes,
Spain,
yes.
Maybe accounts maybe
also of your
maybe I will fear. Ghana how come say be fear say 30 house.
A beer also here less than 50 bedrooms. 49, 50, 70, 150, 166. How dare you? Aboa.
Masa ye chi kwasi asemo. Me hina de befa obenyame.
Never.
Me everybody shira me acho.
Acha.
Me nya na Obinim.
Daddy.
Me yi bi fie na wa America ne Canada ne London ne Germany ni Spain ni Dubai kura to nkyanya. Na me fie na wa America no kwa 4-5 years kura no me nko ho da. They were UK no so more than 7 years.
Share.
Me kwa we.
Daddy.
Edo kura me turn 800,000 pounds.
Shade.
America dey me turn $2 million.
Hey!
Dubai dey me say me turn say 7 million.
Sure. $7 million.
Dubai dey me turn $7 million. Who is 7 million? $7 million.
$7 million.
Dubai, because Dubai guy no, or my no apartment. To make sure apartment now. Now see there be. Was me gym more than basics. Now me the rent.
Sure.
Me gym basics and I pay 8. Now me the rent. Now me the Arab for never home. Now me pay accounts. Ever home any Ghana. To your two man transaction. Not transfer by two accounts with dollar accounts. Sana me ye London dey no me try na me register na me for share company be nsa so mo farmer rent na me be accounts e to mo my transaction na be to account the same to America dey no Spain dey no na me share that toss me ma me back to
sure
me second born and if me dan e sha to akra e ya blo chire dey and if me 25,000 euro. And over 500,000 per bag and scheme checking. And I'm 30-40 billion. And over I call them to 10. Jesus is not me actually.
I check.
Me sit down me will die back
30.
And no me say. And now I'm rough for it. I am not a woman who said me bomb rough for anything. Minimum the papa got you rough. Me da wo ma fra me say emrofo bi gina me dan ne ho say ye ton me share me nika bi ana nika na me wono me sa wo ne top ya trust Adidas me won nika bi I say polo for nika bi
enra crash
e she me ana me Adidas wa ha na me see from slippers emrofo for omo ti kam.
Welcome back. The Oshe a Bishop Daniel Obinim. Toto
Piazza. Mamenye a you one son. On say Obinim on one casa and then home to trouble. Now no one can say one here a baby dinachi.
That's right.
He did not buy me challenge no. He did not buy any house in Dubai that cost 7 million. But Onimu Nyansa, where Jimmy and T says $7 million now toya over to your tax on it. A kwanya Obinim, Ufaso, At this $7 million echo Dubai, you got a problem. Was we crashing? A choir how far so would the $2 million echo America, if indeed it's true, to buy the property in America.
Yeah.
You are in trouble. A choir how far so I would say £800,000 would the call UK echo dino, you are in trouble. A choir with the 500,000 euros. Equator dying, I was Spain. Obinim, you are in trouble. Again, what we are say, take on where Jim will crossing the enemy will be done. Or bragging officer, the member Kroma, Yania with a mania bio, the Tina Crassi Cheba, Mania B, Mianca Sama, my enlightenment. Or see, Omu Triasi Canoa, not Oma transfer beton account to her. Me Pioneer Foods for renting me coastal. I pay tax. Withholding tax at almost about 8%. Obinim, the transfers you receive, Ghana Revenue Authority, they rent my place. Before says you can't buy no tax. Obinim, ujawanum. Sikana, your transfer beto account to Muhammad. How much tax did you pay? Get ready. Where you want, okay? They say, I will make sure Ghana Revenue comes after you. I will make sure Yoko comes after you. They say, my name see what say, me no back 2 months or Ghana, papa. Who's who bragging? Wow, we have more Ghana for Muntio. So, justice to Krumha, and yet you want there too. Wakati yaka krawa way utu ya tax.
Yeah.
Now Obinim ekoto dan $7 million for Dubai. And the rent near transfer is kind of utu ya tax. How? It won't happen. You're going to pay every. Now also for Bako. Ghana revenue actually also made 3.5 million. Me money ding.
Also for.
Yeah. 3.5 million. Obinim you are ready.
And obey to
me say I will make sure some collapse. Cause one no. They will see bragging, and I don't care. Nyawo who be a fabra. Was so for one. We say woman are 2 missiles, and no girls no. Woman good social media. I don't think afraid let them continue because the battle continues unabated. The way I was shame before Ghana, I will strip you naked because we are very evil boy, very evil. Why you want to say? What do what drink can see? Ebedi. But in Yankupon now who used to be dino, he will bring you down. And it will come through me. Yankupon the befamso, na me brewasi. E wo Ghana. U braggen, u bragi such, and I'm towing. U da 30. And I'm the actual marker 30. We crossing 30. And I will say, yes. And I will say, who is catching him? What bring you home? One way. One way. And we are in Yamayu. My Florence in tin who was to say, me see, or this girl, no. People call me, they threaten, and a prophet, we say, and what means slow, all that be die. Means slow, if I die today, so be it. Me who have a person Ghana 40 as I say, and yet, or so to be a powers, and a man we. A time when young couple are from me. So to be any your, I was send me, I be a me, or to me. Send me obe bremase enya dwuma because me yenya me adwuma kurache ono sofo na wo se okopet to me e de abegu mani mase anase wo de bekumi e worry the obi adwuma fancy see me because I'm prepared to die in the time na Ghana for say mo antie ni yie wo be kasamo a Ghana for yetimi fro ene enya prophecy Ghana prophecy asofofo bi eni ho matumi akase ene kana Japan wo be nyeska abemuda abemba kana Japan ubewu kana Japan ka bebo kana Japan wo mayare na na obi frɛ me wɔte o wo de ye ntumi na embom yare bi besi wo mam ene omu wu a ebesie wo mu me ma no nyame I will not be the first person me ba ewu so forget about it I'm not scared I will come out with the truth na asofofo no omu di nyame e bunkofo sa wo hwe adanu a a chain the first time and go for a call.
Yeah.
I say, Lord, forgive them, for they don't know what they are doing. O share say ni pano. Obinim timi share na nimji collection. Wa ko gwana num say wato dan 7 million. O $7 million won't be paying. O $7 million won't be paying. I want a dare Obinim. So how much is $7 million? Now, Ghana revenue for renting property. And so no, answer me your enemy tax pa jina yesoa and yasem kitwa. How can this man be bragging say what dying 7 million and nobody goes after him? I will go after you. I know you are bragging. You don't have that 7 million. But one no ebe you ka. For Ghanaians to see say we fake. You are nobody. On say your mouth jail conditions crowd went to be satisfied. I'm obi a hu say when you obi a. Ba yam koso. Eye papa ya your friend no kwadwo owusu. Who say sorry no Obinim. Odi omfa nyame na eye no they decided to leave. Afemu show emrantie me no osofo chief mensa bi no.
Praise Mamesa osofo no yes.
Good. Osofo na bibi bon has say ono so waka so a wo hwe ni suit yi pa dia.
As a time a phone what
that one we emrantie pa o. Ja. Bu suit ni dia ya grow. As we frase dompem na be full plane na call in America. Because for abrom ko wo travel say dey ya pop one here you na. We do say kwadwo usi ni chi. They say akwese wanye sika. They say ono so atia sorry. E wa ha.
Oh no see osofo.
Yeah. Sa papa we ena Obinim ordinary junior pastor or whatever. Ena okotwa atroto no see we pastor we di because oba bi your friend Jennifer ono ene ne ko out nti watwe na say na ene ya wo Obinim ma dodo ado ma ko out wa so me say 100 times ni atwe wa say because adano na me yiri ne kasa no I was able to show only 12 na me one list of 27 women e wona sorry mu a kan babu bom nyina din say Obinim ni wo mada otwe akwa we sign na before so be free aso no mu akono o ka asam chair sa 3 elders he said Obinim de omo pictures muntie ni yi Obinim e de omo pictures akoma adwene amadwene no amene omo pictures this young one o catch say nipa miensa we say Obinim e de omo pictures akoma adwene ama oma adwene na amene omo pictures say wo mini omo pictures say there you say who ampanso utumi say omo aso with all due respect to him womo thinking no che say Jimmy womo so afem because opanyin to me at the sika later na sika ekotua asasika na mama Obinim asan abra ono nsan ni enya adwene na na work o mimi nyi ni dia baba je say e me say wo magazine ayadwuma wanya osika mo ti asore wo di sika no ekọ Kenya asehene ho mo koto asase you don't sign na wama Obinim ko assign. How can you defend? Give me a man me say assassin na wo Kenya asini idea forget about it. You can't do anything because I've gone through all the documents, land documents in no. E member miensa we obi ansan bi. I don't know say
anything am we nya upper hand sa no.
Yeah. The honor the wafa but ni fie nu de oni upper hand. He has admitted here. Say ampa on the bubu.
And the police extract.
Ono admitted.
So see down.
They'll make sure say e down there will see because they say also was car check Ghana Libya. Who was car beginning baby I started was sorry. Confucius or say if a man saves your life you are indebted to him for the rest of your life. And remember the people when you are going up because you meet them on your way coming down.